Hello, so I'm gonna do a video on how I have simplified switching between apps in my MacBook to make my life easier. So if you are using the MacBook, the way usually the default way to switch between lot of apps if you have several windows open is command tab key combination, right? You just have to use command tab to switch between apps you want, but as a developer for me that is like really annoying and it's not that easy also, and not efficient for me to do that. So I have found out a simplified way to do that. So the way I do is I have installed two apps in my MacBook. So one is this one, the Karabiner-Elements, so you can just search and download it as well. And also I do have an app called Raycast. So yeah, and so the way I have done is, so in after installing Caribbean element, you can go to settings and there's a complex modification here. So this is a default one that they provide, so you can just add it using like a predefined rule and enable it. I have already enabled it. So the thing is, I have changed my caps lock to a mimic pressing command control option shift. So if I press caps lock, it will mimic pressing all these four keys together. It's called a hyper key. And then in my Raycast, if we open Raycast and it is settings, so actions, in not actions, so go to actions and configure command. So here this is the Raycast, and I have like replaced my spotlight to Raycast as well. This is something you can do uh, if you want, but it's not necessary for this one. So in Raycast if you go to extension, we can see like all the apps we have, and we can record a hotkey for them. So if you want to set a key for one password, you just click here and then I can press caps lock. So when I press caps lock, they say this, and for one password I can say caps lock 1. So the caps lock 1 be the one password hotkey. So if I press caps lock 1 now, one password should open, right? So I'm gonna remove this because I don't need it. So I have set up for my AWS VPN and my cursor and also Brave. This is my normal personal browser, and I use Google Chrome as my office browser, so it's caps lock B. So when I want to switch between things, so caps lock A for browser, caps lock B for work browser, caps lock C for ID, caps lock B for VPN, and again caps lock G for my personal cloud. So yeah, that way I have simplified everything. So this way is really easier for me to switch between apps when I do work. So it reduces the mental complexity that I have to go through, and it's really easy for me to get things done. So I think this is a good thing. As developers, we need to have like reduce the complexity of our workflow, and it's like really easy on my brain as well. So this is a quick video on how I do that, and hope this helps. Thank you.